Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today we've got this beautiful 2018 Range Rover SVR on our dyno. It's come to us for a dyno, a remap, an upper and lower pulley upgrade, and a whole new QuickSilver exhaust to be fitted. So there's a lot of work to be done, lots of exciting things to see. So let's see what it's running.
Right.
So after that first run, the SVR is running 581 brake horsepower and 733 Newton meters of torque. But let's see what we can do with all the upgrades. So as you can see behind me, the team are busy fitting the new QuickSilver exhaust to this Range Rover SVR. So with the upper and lower crank pulleys completed and this almost done, that's a serious boost in performance and sound to this SVR. When it's all finished, we'll get it down off the ramp. The technical team will bring the map down, install it into the ECU, and then it's time to get it back on the dyno. So we've run the SVR on the dyno with the upper and lower pulley upgrades and its brand new exhaust. It's now running 629 brake horsepower and 825 Newton meters of torque. And that amazing QuickSilver exhaust sounds like this. And like this. If you want to give your Range Rover the VIEZU treatment, give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.